Hi, I'm Charlie with Merchant Automotive, and today we've got our Merchant Automotive branded Duramax fuel hose kits. Each kit contains all the hoses needed to replace the low pressure side of your Duramax engine, and each hose is molded to meet factory specifications to ensure a proper fit. Common issues: as your truck ages, these hoses can become dry rotted, resulting in a hard start or no start situation, loss of prime. So, keeping proper maintenance and replacing these before that happens will just ensure you don't run into problems on the road. We have these available for various generations of Duramax trucks, so feel free to check them out on our website. And if you have any questions on these or any product, give us a shout anytime. If you like this kind of content, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, and we certainly appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.